APECOIN price prediction. APECOIN's price is anticipated to be $7 toward the finish of 2022 on the off chance that APECOIN acquires 10% every month from now. The price of APECOIN toward the finish of 2030 is anticipated to be $39 assuming APE figures out how to acquire 30% consistently from now. APECOIN price prediction 2022 is $7.92 total cost, and the ongoing viewpoint is negative. The ongoing technical suggestion is sell. APECOIN price prediction. APECOIN was sent off with an initial worth of $1. Its unequaled high worth was $39.40. At present, APECOIN is exchanging underneath $10. APECOIN price prediction 2022 is $7.92. APECOIN price prediction 2025 is $20.12. In any case, for the ones who love to play long-haul games, APECOIN can be a wise venture just when they buy APECOIN when the cost of APECOIN drops and afterward clutch it until there's a significant increase. Consequently, to procure a major benefit, one requires to clutch their speculation for a more drawn-out time frame. Will APECOIN go up? Indeed, most conjectures foresee that APECOIN will go up one. As cryptocurrencies recuperate in the not-so-distant future, APECOIN will likewise profit from the recuperation too. As Yuga Labs expands its presence in the metaverse space, with speculations arranged and a few executions having started, the interest for APECOINs will increment fueling the cost of the digital money 3. As an outcome, APECOIN is estimated to rise 30.5 before the current year's over risks. Cryptocurrency falls again because of economic slowdown, recession. There is a moderate chance as of now. The cryptocurrency market is additionally presented to foundational risk like other cryptographic forms of money or organizations in this area fizzling. Ultimately, defers in execution by Yuga Labs could prompt lower interest for APECOINs affecting its cost temporarily while possibly not in the medium and long haul. What is APECOIN and how can it infer its worth? APECOIN is a Bored Ape Yacht Club partnered digital currency in light of the ERC20 blockchain. APECOIN carries a much-anticipated administration perspective to the ape environment. In addition to other things, APECOIN addresses an administration token, as such, casting a ballot rights, giving APECOIN holders a say in the venture's turn of events and significant choices. As a method for showing appreciation to its ongoing local area, APECOIN chose to commit a part of its save to Bored Apes or Mutant Apes NFT holders, compensating them with free airdrops. How much the airdrop relied upon the NFT's unique case as well as the quantity of NFTs held by the individual. Here are a few realities about APECOIN. Ape Foundation sent off the Gorilla Coin. Gorilla Foundation guarantees that APECOIN will be driven by the local area with the job of the foundation as a steward and not a regulator. The APECOIN DAO will oversee the local area. APECOIN, like numerous other cryptographic forms of money, is an ERC20 token gave on the Ethereum blockchain. About 15% of circling APECOINs have been airdropped to current Bake and Make NFT holders. APECOIN is probably going to be utilized as a play to procure cash from now on. It is normal that as Yuga Labs reinforce its situation in the metaverse space, APECOIN will see an ascent popular for its digital currencies. APECOIN is at present positioned 35th on market cap with almost 300 million available for use. APECOIN arrived at its all-time high of $39 somewhat recently of April and arrived at its absolute bottom in the year on June 19, 2022. APECOIN rose 40% from its base in no less than 7 days. It is likewise conceivable to acquire interest by marking APE. Can you stake APECOIN? Indeed, there is a strategy for marking APECOIN. VEmpire, a decentralized metaverse, GameFi, and NFT venture association has presented a marking pool for APECOIN. By enlisting yourself with VEmpire, you will actually want to stake APECOIN. How might I procure APECOIN? One of the simplest ways of acquiring APECOIN is by enlisting yourself with the Authority APECOIN stage. When you register, you will have an enrollment pass. The participation pass allows players to procure APECOIN tokens by playing a portable game. How might I get a free APECOIN? The MetaVail wallet client has the office of procuring APECOIN free of charge. To get free APECOIN utilizing MetaMask wallet, here are the moves toward be followed. 1. Visit the APECOIN airdrop guarantee page. 2. Connect your MetaMask wallet. 3. If you're qualified, then you will actually want to guarantee free APE tokens. 4. Users who own Bored Ape or Mutant Ape NFTs are qualified to guarantee the airdrop. Is APECOIN on Robinhood? As of now, APECOIN isn't on Robinhood. In any case, after Robinhood added Shiba Inu, bits of gossip about APECOIN were being added to the Robinhood trade. However, till date, APECOIN isn't added for trade on Robinhood. Who is behind APECOIN? The underlying board comprises of 5 prominent crypto financial backers: Reddit Prime supporter Alexis Ohanian, Amy Wu, who drives the crypto trade FTX's Endeavor arm, Maria Bajwa, of Sound Ventures, Animoca Brands Yacht SIU, and Dean Steinbeck of Horizon Labs. Where might I at any point store APECOIN? APECOIN is right now an Ethereum ERC20 token. So very much like some other ERC20 token, you can store your APECOIN on respectable Ethereum wallets like MetaMask, or ideally, through a legitimate equipment wallet like a Ledger Nano X. On the off chance that you're holding a critical sum. Is APECOIN a piece of Bored Ape Yacht Club? APECOIN was formally delivered on March 16, 2022, as a token for culture, gaming, and trade, and is the primary cryptographic money of the Bored Ape Yacht Club biological system. Might I at any point purchase APECOIN on PancakeSwap? The token is additionally accessible on PancakeSwap. What's the least expensive exhausted gorilla NFT? As of late as April, the least expensive Bored Ape NFT cost 152 ETH, or $429,000 at that point. As of now, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Terraforms, Otherdeed, Moonbirds, and CryptoPunks have all seen exchanging volumes bounce over half. APECOIN price prediction: how to buy APECOIN. The ERC20 token, the local badge of Bored Ape Yacht Club, APECOIN has been one of the most outstanding performing digital currencies this year. Nonetheless, there have been many inquiries about how APECOIN can be bought. Here is a finished manual for purchase APECOIN. Look for the exchanges where APECOIN is recorded for trade. With the frenzy of cryptographic money, the trades offering digital currencies for exchange have duplicated. Notwithstanding, every trade has a predetermined number of cryptos recorded on its foundation for exchange. Subsequently, prior to effective financial planning, the primary assignment will be to list the quantity of trades offering APECOIN for exchange. Whenever you have recorded the trades, the subsequent assignment will be to pick the right trade. Each trade has its own exchange expense.